How to add markers in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure your timeline is visible with the clip you want to mark already added. Markers can be placed on the timeline or directly on clips depending on what you need. To add a marker at a specific point in your timeline, simply move the playhead to the exact frame where you want to place it. Then, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. A settings window will appear where you can change the color, add a name, keywords, and type a note. This is especially useful if you are collaborating with others or need reminders for tasks like cutting or color grading. If you prefer using the mouse, you can right-click directly on the timeline where you want the marker and choose Add Marker from the menu. It does the same thing, and you can double-click the marker to open the settings menu. You can also add markers on specific clips. To do this, make sure the clip is selected, move the playhead to where you want the marker, and press Ctrl+M. This clip's marker is stay attached to the clip even if you move it around on the timeline. To quickly navigate between markers, use the keyboard shortcut Shift+Up arrow to jump to the previous marker and Shift+Down arrow to move to the next one. To delete, just click on the marker and press Delete key from the keyboard. And that's it. Now you know how to add markers in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.